Hello, my dear students. Again we have assembled here. We have the grammar class, and you know better in the earlier classes we have the videos of three parts of speech of grammar: noun, pronoun, adjective, and also I have given the links of those parts of speech in description box. You can just see. Okay, my dear students, as you know, you have learned and you have been remembered the previous three parts of speech. Now I am going to continue the same topic. Still some of the parts of speech are there. Now I am starting the fourth one. As we have completed the three parts of speech, I am starting the fourth parts of speech, that is here on the board. You can see 4 and 5 parts of speech are there, and here we will start. Okay, now parts of speech. Number 4, word. Word is a word which shows the action of the subject, that is noun or pronoun. Here some of the words, example words have been given here, and just have a look on the words. You can see the examples very easy, you can understand easily. Let us see. Here, set, sing, speak, write, play, go, come, etc. These are the example of the verbs which show the action of the subject. Here, sing, speak, write, play, go, come, etc. Now these are the action words of the verb. Now, with the help of the 5 examples, we are going to understand the verb. See now. Number 1. The sun sets in the west. In the west. Here, what is the word here which shows our action, which shows the sun's action? See, here is the word as I have given here in the example. Where is the word? Here in the sentence, set. Here is the example word, set. Set is the word. And after underlining this, we have to write V. V means what? V means word. For your kind information, you have to remember this. Okay, now I am going to show you the second example. Lata sings a song. Lata sings a song. What is the action word here? And if you remember, tell me, otherwise you look in the example. Sing is here, and in the sentence sing is here, and so you just underline the words right here. V. V means what? V means word. In this sentence, Lata sings a song. Here is the word of action, word. Now go to the third one. He speaks English fluently. Speaking English is fluently. This is action. Which word shows the action? Here. What is the action here? Speak. Speak is the here. So just underline the word and write down below V. V is the word. This is the short form of the word. He speaks English fluently. Now, the fourth example, number 1, quote. She writes a letter to her father. Number 4, she writes a letter to her father. Here we have to find out the action word. Here we have to find the action word which shows the action of the subject. Which shows the action of the subject. Which is the word down here? The right. The right. Right is the word which shows the action of the subject. She writes. She writes. Here is the word. We means what? Number 5. Students play hockey. What is the word here? Which shows the action? Play. Play. Students play. This is the word which shows the action of the subject. Here. See. Once again, we will have the reading of these sentences for your kind information. Read once again. The sun sets in the west. In the west. The sun sets in the west. Lata sings a beautiful song. Here, the singing is verb. This action verb. He speaks English fluently. He speaks English fluently. Here is the word which shows the action of the subject. Subject means what? Here, this is the subject. And here, we are just talking about this word, speak. Verb. Speak. She writes a letter to her father. Which is the word here? Writes. Verb. We means verb. Students play hockey. Students play hockey. What is the word here? The word is play. Play. Here we have written we, and we means verb. Now, one thing again I want to tell you, why we add the s here. All the words, 3 words I add the 4 words s, because the singular verb, singular subject takes the word s, because the sun is one. The sun sets, so we add the s here. The sun sets in the west. This is the here set is verb, action verb. Why we are adding this word? Because it is singular. Lata sings a song. Here also we have added s, because Lata is alone. He speaks. Just you remember, the singular words take the s, sometimes ies, sometimes es. Okay? This in the beginning of the grammars, singular and plural, you will come to know about these. But now we are just having the definition of the verb. Okay? Now go to the next one. Number 5. Adverb. Here we are talking about the adverb. Adverb. Here, the next one, 5th one. An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a word. It is called an adverb. Okay? Here we have seen action of the subject. Here we will see something is adding. Something is added, and which adds something to the meaning of noun or pronoun. Here we are seeing, but here we are seeing which is adding something to the meaning of verb. Here we are seeing. Okay, don't confuse yourself. Which adding? Here we are talking about the only verb, adverb. We are talking. Okay, an adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb. The action words are, we have seen, which are added something and qualifying, showing quality, how, like that. So, some of the examples have been given here about the adverb. See the example. Slowly, fastly, happily, cordially, quietly, etc. These are the words. but many more words are there about the adverbs. You can see and you can collect also. You can practice also yourself also, or with the help of the teachers also. But here action words are added. These are the adverbs. Okay. Now with the help of examples, we will see how they are used. Tortoise walks slowly. Tortoise walks slowly. Here are the words we have seen. Now here we have to find out which one is the adverb. Okay. Now we have seen the adverbs here. These are the adverbs. Remember this. I am talking about this. But many more others are there. In the first sentence, which word is there about? Here. What is the word? Slowly. Here the word is slowly. So it is called as adverb. Okay. Now underlining, after underlining, write down below ADV. What? Writing ADV. ADV means adverb, short form. Number 2. Sunita runs fastly. Here Sunita runs fastly. What is the word here? Adverb fastly. Here in the sentence, what is this? Fastly. Here this word is just underline and write down ADV. Why we are writing this? Just to remember what is the adverb. We are talking about the adverb. Here is the adverb. What adverb? Which adds something to the meaning of a word. And here is the word. And this word is talking about this word. So Sunita runs fastly. This you are to remember, my dear students. Remember this. Now go to the fourth one. Child drinks milk happily. Number 3. This is number 3. You are, no, sorry. I am going to fourth one. Here is the third one. Come to the third one. You are cordially invited. You are cordially invited. Cordially invited. Wow, tell me, what is the word here? Just find out about words. Cordially. Here is the word. Underline this. Write down ADV. Cordially. What do you mean by this word here? Adverb. Okay. Now remember this. Cordially invited. You are cordially invited. Yes. Okay. Now come to the fourth one. Child drinks milk happily. Child drinks milk happily. Now we are talking about the child. How he drinks milk. How means happily. This is the word is called as adverb right here. ADV. ADV. Adverb. We are talking about the adverb, not any other words. Okay. Now come to the fifth one. Some students listen to the teacher quietly. Some students listen to the teacher quietly. Here is the word. What is the word? Here is the word quietly. ADV. ADV means adverb. This is the short form of the adverb. Now, once again I will read the 4-5 sentences. Once again, listen carefully, my dear students. Number 1. Tortoise walks slowly. Sunita runs fastly. Fastly is the adverb. You are cordially invited. You are cordially invited. See, here is the adverb. Child drinks milk happily. Here, happily is adverb. Some students listen to the teacher quietly. Here is the adverb quietly. ADV we have written for the kind information. Whenever we are revising ourselves, these are the words. Again, many examples are there about the adverbs. Nicely, beautifully. many more words are there, and very many words are there. Just to remember, collect yourself, read silently, loudly at home. Try to understand once again. Reading is very, very important, and these parts of speech are very, very important for writing the notes of grammatically. You are not there to commit the mistakes. Okay, my dear students, you might have understood and you might have listened carefully, and at home read yourself notes also, then listen the videos also once or twice. Okay, thank you. One and all.